got a little snow. And then that little booger right there wouldn't start for me, so I had to shovel that heavy crap. So I'm actually got that, about got it started. Had a fuel line problem. Alright, so what we're going to do here is replace these shocks. The Strongarm. These are Strongarm gas charged. I guess this is my wife's vehicle. She picked these up for 25 bucks a piece. You probably get them cheaper on like Rock Auto. But it's real simple. I think I did this one a couple of years ago. So it's probably this one that's causing the problems, but might as well do both of them. Real simple to take this off. I'm holding this up by vice grips right here. Or else you could put a piece of wood up in here, but I can push it up, but it'll stop right there. What happens with this back door, it just starts to slams down on you. Like if you pop it open, it just wants to shut. So I'm going to show you how quick we can do this. And all you really need is as simple as popping this out. And then there's one in here I already got it. Same thing. Just pop it. 1 second, I'm going to get my tripod. Pops right off. Alright, that's it on that one. Let me pull that one off real quick. That's it. So if you're going to do one, might as well do two of them, because I did the other one a couple years ago, so no, I just did both. So what was happening was that tailgate would lift and then slam. So you got that? Easy fix, flat tip screwdriver, and about 50 bucks. Take care. Alright, right now I got to go get the mail.